what's up? It's Kira here. I just got back to the hotel from another amazing adventure. Malala kung saan ako. Joke lang. Anyway, since Feb-ibig na, I just wanted to do a super quick story time with you guys while doing my skincare routine before bed using my favorite RDL Kojic products. Let's go. O, diba? Ang cute. So, month before my birthday, chinichika ako ng glam team ko na magpa-birthday shoot. Alam niyo na. So, naghintay ako ng message nila kung tuloy ba o hindi, kung may nakuha silang studio o wala. Hanggang sa ilang araw na lang birthday ko na at wala pa rin silang message. Inisip ko baka hindi na sila free, baka may work na sila, o kaya wala silang nakuhang photographer at studio. Initially, it was fine with me, no problem. Pero syempre, bilang maarte na tao na mahilig ng photoshoot, nalungkot ako na I wouldn't be doing something fun for my birthday kasi bihira lang naman yun. Fast forward to a day before my birthday, I decided to hang out with a close friend of mine. We decided to go get lunch sa labas, pero naalala ko dahil hindi naging maganda yung weather, sobrang lakas ng ulan, we agreed to take out na lang tapos sa bahay na lang kayo. To my surprise, andun na lahat ng camping ko, kumpleto sila. Grabe, dun pala nag-set up sa bahay ng birthday photo shoot. Sobrang kinikilig ako kasi my close friend was the one who reached out to them at the plano sila ahead of time for me. Grabe no, nagsama din yung weather. At dahil sobrang hindi ako sanay na ma-surprise ako ng tao, legit na paiyak ako. Kailangan ko talaga umupo para i-compose yung sarili ko. Dahil syempre sobrang natuwa ako na makita lahat ng glam team ko with the photo kompleto dun sa bahay, pati yung close friend ko nandun. I'm just really happy that they put something together for my birthday. Sobrang kinilig ako. So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Yung kwentong kilig ko, short and sweet, but most importantly, meaningful. Using, again, my favorite RDL products, their facial cleanser, and their Kojic whitening. So, don't forget to add them to your skincare routine. And yeah, happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.